Hey guys, okay, so for this week, actually not week, this video, we're gonna be making an armadillo. I really like the folding sequence it has for this. I think you might find it interesting too. But before we begin, I would like to say that I have completed the Black Forest Cuckoo Clock. It took like a week, I guess, but I'm really happy with it. And without further ado, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to use a brown sheet of 6-inch paper. Alright, so let's start colored side up, yes, and then diagonally fold in half. Alright, now do the same in the other direction. Okay, now we're going to do... unfold first. Now we're going to do a half blend space, so fold this corner and this corner into the middle. That was one. And that was two. Alright, now we're going to make kind of a water bomb base, so let's take this point and fold it to this point. Oh, these creases are already made, we're just remaking them, but we're making them valley folds this time. Alright, now, yeah, fold this up so that the crease lines up with these edges. And we're going to reverse fold on these creases. Oh my goodness, what is that truck doing out there? Okay, sorry about that. The truck started, like, picking up our garbage or something. But anyways, let's reverse fold this side, too. Okay, now let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. Like that. And then take this edge and fold it to this crease. Okay. And now we're going to reverse fold both of these corners in, kind of like a petal base. So we're going to reverse fold this part in like that. And then let's reverse fold this point in right here too. So it should look like that. Alright, sorry for the interruptions. But anyway, let's unwrap this layer. And let's unwrap this layer too. You'll notice there are some extra creases, that's because I kind of messed up. But, anyways, let's take this, put this open, and let's fold this over this way, and this over this way. Actually, let's make it a little nicer. Okay, so let's rabbit ear. Yeah, that's right. And then reverse fold the rabbit ear in. You know, it's kind of a waste of a corner, but we don't need it, so whatever. And do the same over here. I don't know, if you want, you can design something into it and make the rabbit ear into something. I tried making ears out of it, but it didn't really work. But anyways, that's what it should look like. And this will become the head. Alright, so now we're gonna do something kind of cool on the back. So, valley fold in half. That wasn't very cool. But we're gonna be making like kind of a water bomb on the back. So, let's take this point and fold it to this point. And let's fold this point to this point. And unfold. And take this point and fold it to this intersection. And now you want to repeat that on this side. Alright, so you can kind of see how it's like a water bomb where you have these pockets and you stick them in, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do something else. So now I'm going to kind of form a water bomb base. Yeah, let's form a water bomb base. That's a good way of doing it. Alright, and now we can refold these edges back in and unfold because we are going to sink them. So open it up, use your finger with inside to support it, and then once again do kind of like an upside down water bomb, and just push the corners in. That was a little messy, I'll fix that. Alright, So now we have this. We have some cool looking flaps there. And do the same over here. Open sync. Okay, so fold this flap down, and let's fold this flap down too. Let's turn over. Let's fold these legs up, because they're going to be the legs. And now we're going to do some more open syncing. So let's make a fold between this point and this point. Unfold, and then unfold this part, and let's open sync it. Okay, it's good. And repeat that on this side. Okay, now we're going to do another close sync. Well, two more. We're going to do one here. And one here. Okay, you may have noticed the lighting's a bit different. That's because it's a new day. Look, I'm wearing something different. But it's still the same model. So let's... Yeah, now we've got our base. So it's going to be the tail, it's going to be the head, and then these are going to be like the hands and feet. So let's valley fold this outward like that. Same with this one. And then, yeah, let's do the same here. Fold it out like that. And that. Now if we valley fold in half, we can see our armadillo starting to take shape. Okay, now let's shape the head of the armadillo. So let's reverse fold it down a little bit. Okay, so you want to go something, something kind of like this. And then you can fold this in, then fold it back out, then fold like a little point in. Let's pull it out a little more. This part's just shaping, so we kind of have that kind of a thing. I'm saying kind of too much. Let's open this, and let's just make it somewhat of a leg. There, like that. And you can repeat that on the other four. You can just pinch it and then put it over to the side if you want. That's fine. Or like, you can go all in and crimp it. And there's an airplane. But yeah, you can crimp it and make it look a little nicer. Anyways, that's the armadillo. I hope you had as much fun folding it as I did, and have fun folding. Bye.